What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Tecno POVA 5. Where is the smartphone? Okay, I haven't yet unboxed it. I've been waiting for you. Let's do the unboxing together and then we will talk about all the aspects of this Tecno POVA 5. Okay, I have got this Tecno POVA 5 Freefire limited edition. This is a special edition which comes with a Freefire bonus gift card inside. Okay, we will start from unboxing, but before that, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. I truly like the design of the box. This is a prism shaped box, and yeah, Tecno has printed almost everything at the rear part of the box. Helio G99 6nm processor, 120Hz refresh rate, 6.78-inch FHD Plus display, 50 megapixel AI camera, 6000 mAh battery, 45 watt smart charge. Okay, everything looks very interesting, and considering the price of this smartphone, I feel like this is a steal. Okay, after opening the box, the first thing you will get is the smartphone. It's really an attractive smartphone. Beside the smartphone, there is a SIM ejector tool. Well, this is a very nice touch because the first thing we wanna use with a smartphone is the SIM ejector tool. Underneath the smartphone, Tecno has provided a lot of things. Well, there are some paperworks. Beside the warranty card, they have provided a gift card for the Freefire game and a nice set of stickers. I'm definitely gonna use these stickers. Okay, they have also provided a protective case, a TPU silicon protective case, nothing special. Underneath that, you will get a 45 watt charger, a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and a set of headphones with 3.5mm jack. That means this Tecno POVA 5 comes with a 3.5mm port. Wow, kudos to Tecno. Well, here comes our Tecno POVA 5. One more time, I have to use the same word. Wow. In hand, this one definitely feels so premium. It doesn't even feel like this is a budget mid-range. Tecno POVA 5 Freefire edition looks so very gorgeous. Tecno has actually chosen this mecha-inspired 3D look, and altogether, the design language, the shades, the colors, the curves, everything got a very nice match. I'm sure Tecno has spent a long time to design this phone because in hand this feels so very premium and it looks so damn gorgeous. Okay, there is a Tecno logo on the back corner of the phone, which looks nice because it's subtle, nothing loud. Tecno POVA 5 comes with a 50 megapixel AI camera at the rear panel. What have made me so happy is there is no camera bump. Comparing with many other smartphones, this camera bump is nothing. This is truly flat. Also, the button placement of Tecno POVA 5 is pretty accurate. All the buttons are placed on the correct position. We don't need to reach for it. Once it is held in hand, the buttons are actually within the reach of the fingers. On the left side, there is a dual SIM hybrid SIM tray. We can use either 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card with a TF card to expand the storage. Power button and volume rockers all are on the right side. Fingerprint sensor is mounted into the power button. At the bottom of the phone, there is a 3.5mm port, a microphone, a USB-C port, and a primary speaker. On the top, there is nothing but a secondary speaker. Look at this, even if it is a budget smartphone, this one comes with a proper dual speaker stereo setup. Tecno POVA 5 Freefire Special Edition features a stunning 6.78-inch FHD Plus display panel with 1080 by 2460 resolution. Even if this is a LCD panel, I think Tecno has used the most premium quality LCD panel for this Tecno POVA 5 because color reproduction is super accurate. Among all the smartphones within this price segment, Tecno POVA 5 Freefire Edition actually offers the most accurate color reproduction. Black is truly black, white is very bright, colors are vivid and vibrant. Okay, there is another thing which has made me so surprised is Tecno POVA 5 supports 120Hz refresh rate and also supports 240Hz touch sampling rate. 120Hz refresh rate offers buttery smooth scrolling, 240Hz touch sampling rate offers very smooth in-game experience. Well, I have tested these display panels side by side with many other budget devices, and I happen to have at least two unreleased smartphones which I have compared with Tecno POVA 5. Well, considering the price tag, Tecno POVA 5's display panel has truly outperformed the other smartphones. I would have given Tecno POVA 5 10 out of 10 for its display panel, but I know you may have already noticed that there is a bit of a chin, so I'm gonna give this display panel 9 out of 10. I hope Tecno will do something to reduce the size of the chin in their next smartphone. Tecno POVA 5 comes with dual speaker stereo setup, and this one is certified by DTS and high res. So this one can deliver crisp and clear audio quality without any distortion even at full volume. I have enjoyed watching movies on this Tecno POVA 5 because this one not only has a very good display panel but also the speakers. Yeah, the dual speaker setup performs like a beast. Let's listen to some music and then you decide. Tecno POVA 5 comes with a 50 megapixel AI camera at the rear panel. Many other smartphones comes with a 50 megapixel camera. What's so special about this? That was my first impression, but after I have taken some photos and recorded some videos with this Tecno POVA 5 side by side with a mid-range smartphone, well, I'm not only surprised, I'm truly happy that a budget device can deliver. Let's check the photos and the videos and then you decide whether this one is a camera beast or not. Well, there is another thing. Tecno POVA 5 comes with a front flash. How many of the other smartphones comes with a front flash? I haven't seen anything like this for a long time. Kudos to Tecno. Let me be very clear. Tecno POVA 5 is an affordable gaming smartphone and it is powered by Helio G99 from MediaTek. Yes, Helio G99 is a very capable SoC, and as Tecno POVA 5 is also equipped with 8GB of RAM, we can definitely play games on Tecno POVA 5. I think you wouldn't disagree with this statement that this is the best affordable gaming smartphone. I mean, after you play games on Tecno POVA 5, you will have the same feelings. Even if this is a budget device, this one offers a very good in-game experience. Battery smooth. Maybe this phrase already become cliche, but I need to use this phrase again. Tecno POVA 5 offers battery smooth in-game experience, and due to having a very good display panel, in-game experience is much more enjoyable than many other devices. Also, Tecno has developed their own game space. Inside the game space, we can do a lot of things. We can select a lot of features. There is a game mode option, and Tecno calls it Panther Engine. which optimizes CPU and GPU performance automatically to improve in-game experience. I have been playing games on this Tecno POVA 5 for the past 8 days and I have never felt like I'm missing something. I have managed to play Genshin Impact without any issue. I have managed to play Call of Duty, Real Racing 3 and many other graphics intensive games. But well, as this is a budget device, you cannot expect that Tecno POVA 5 will offer you high graphics settings. In medium graphics settings, this one works like a beast. Tecno has developed their own thermal management solution, so even after playing games for hours after hours, the phone stays cool and offers a very stable performance. So if you're a casual gamer or if you cannot afford to get a very expensive gaming device, then I think this one is for you. I definitely wouldn't hesitate for a split of a second to recommend this to my subscribers and regular viewers. Now, it's time to talk about something very interesting. Many other brands are ditching 3.5mm port because they don't have enough space to accommodate a big battery, and those brands, those smartphones doesn't even come with a 5000 mAh battery. Tecno POVA 5 comes with a 6000 mAh battery. This one has a 3.5mm port. There isn't no rear camera bump, and altogether this one has a thickness of 9mm. So Tecno POVA 5 is a very slim, very light device, but comes with a massive ludicrous 6000 mAh battery. For a smartphone which runs on or which is powered by Helio G99 from MediaTek, I think the battery size is an overkill because I managed to squeeze up to 15 hours of screen on time on a very busy day. It feels like Tecno has done a lot of hard work and they have actually pulled a stunner. Also, don't forget that Tecno POVA 5 comes with a 45-watt charger included inside the box, so we don't need to buy an extra charger. The charger that it comes with will refill 50% of the battery within 20 minutes. That's really pretty fast. And what is more important is the second 50%, I mean from 51 to 100% will get refilled within 26 minutes. So altogether it takes 46 minutes to get refueled. And once it is totally refueled, this one offers 15 hours of screen on time. I've heard that Philip and Carol, my other workmates over here, they have managed to squeeze 18 hours of surfing time and 8 hours of gameplay time. That is almost unbelievable. All the Tecno smartphones runs on iOS. Tecno POVA 5 runs on iOS 13 on top of Android 13. It's great that a budget smartphone is coming with the latest Android, and as Tecno offers a few years of update, so I think there is nothing to be worried. I cannot exactly say how many years of security update Tecno will offer, but from my past experience, at least a few years is guaranteed. And as usual, there is this RAM expansion option available in iOS, so we can extend the RAM up to 8GB, 8GB onboard RAM with 8GB extended RAM. Altogether, we have access to 16GB of RAM. I have already mentioned earlier, Tecno POVA 5 comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor is integrated into the power button and it is very easy to register a fingerprint. Once a fingerprint is registered, it works like a flash. So very fast. I haven't seen any hiccups or any lags. So yeah, no complaint, this works fine. And if you are like those people who wanna use 2D face unlock option, you can use 2D face unlock option. Tecno has also added an option for face unlocking. Okay, it's great to see that Tecno POVA 5 comes with Widevine L1 certification. That means we can enjoy HD streaming on any of our preferred streaming service. If you are like me, if you wanna use banking applications on your smartphone, you need to check this. Look at this. Wow, Tecno POVA 5 has passed safety net test. That means we can use banking applications on Tecno POVA 5 without being worried. Well, that's all about this Tecno POVA 5 Freefire edition. A mecha-inspired 3D designed smartphone. A phone which looks like a premium device in hand, feels like a premium device, and performs like a premium device in its segment. I think this one is the king of its own segment. Well, what do you think about Tecno POVA 5? Please don't forget to make a comment in the comment section below. Also, I'm gonna give away this Tecno POVA 5 to one of my subscribers. If you are already subscribed to this channel, then what you have to do is to make a comment and let me know which part of Tecno POVA 5 do you like and what things of Tecno POVA 5 you don't like. I will read all the comments and select one based on my affinity toward that comment. Well, if you have liked this video, then don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.